What's going on, you guys? It's Aaron Forex Guy once again, shooting this video to give you another update. Today is April 1st. I'm giving you another update on a trade that we saw, a setup that I saw on USD CHF on a 5-minute chart. And notice we had a nice move to the upside, an impulsive move to the upside, and it created an ascending trend channel. Notice I drew out the trend channel here. I can draw it out again so you guys can see it. Let me get rid of some of this stuff on the chart real quick. All right, so I noticed this impulsive move to the upside. I had noticed at the time it was bouncing upward. You notice highs, higher lows going to the upside after an impulsive move. So I was expecting price to break this structure. This is more so a show of divergence. You notice the price is going up. My money line here down here is actually starting to go downward. So I saw a little bit of divergence in the market. I went ahead and marked this up. That way I have a good idea of where price could go. And I was anticipating a break of this trend channel. So what I did was I went to the, I checked it out on my templates that we have. We had it was still in an uptrend, so we didn't get an indication there. Get rid of that. But our 20 pips and dip template definitely gave us an indication that we should be looking for a sale very soon. So I'm going to zoom in on that so you guys can see that. As you can see here, it told us to sell. Told us to sell here as well. Once it broke the trend channel and it broke this channel, there was a small pullback here. There was a buy here. This sell it actually came in and you could have rolled it on down. It's actually retracing right now. But not only that, I actually saw it on the pet system as well. I'm going to pull that up so you can see what I saw. And in the pet system, it gave me a perfect entry. This is the 5-minute chart. This is my perfect entry here in the pet system. We had the ultimate seller's signal here, followed by the enter arrow. We got an entry here, got another entry here. We're currently up. There's a nasty pullback going on right now. But we were currently up 30 pips on one, 20 on the other. But now we're 20 pips on one, 10 on another. I got another trade on Ripple going right now. But as you can see, the system itself works. Once you add price action, once you add market structure, once you have confluence in the market, you can kind of get a good indication of where the market is going. Notice this is a heavy uptrend. Notice this ultimate buy signal. That is a beautiful trade. That is a beautiful trade. Notice all of the candles are blue. We're looking for buys. I saw this ascending channel going to the upside. I noticed that it will have to break eventually. So I went ahead and put my trend line. Oops, it's the wrong line. Went ahead and put a trend line and waited for the break. Not only did we get a break, but if you look at it very closely, you will see the break and the retest at the same time. Notice you got a small break here. You had a nice pullback. This is an impulsive move. This is a flag. You could put another trend line here on this flag and just waited for that break right there. And that's exactly what happened. You caught your break directly in a profit, and it's currently running in a profit at the same time. So that was just a brief update of USD CHF. And we're currently 30 pips total. But I'm looking for this trade to continue downward. Right now, we're going through a small pullback, but we did break this upward channel. We broke this upward structure. We're now in seller's territory. Let's see what it looks like on a higher time frame. Actually, this uptrend is not yet over with. On a higher time frame, it still has a little bit more room to go up. So I might just go ahead and close out with my profits that I have and wait for another setup. But that's basically it. I just wanted to share with you guys the update on USD CHF. Following that ascending channel, noticing market structure, and following market structure, therefore knowing when to get in and out of the trade. Market structure is very important as well as price action. But once you see a setup, if you have a system like the perfect entry trading system or the 20 pips and dip template, it will give you the perfect entry. So not only do we have access to an amazing educational platform, but we also have access to an assortment of tools that will help us get on the right side of the trade, knowing when we're on the right side of the trade, how long we should stay in the trade, and when we should exit the trade as well. So hopefully this video was of help to you. Hopefully you're catching pips this week. If you're not a part of the Winner Circle team, get in contact with me. I can share with you some of the results that our teammates is getting. We have people that are brand new coming in the market, and within 30 days of following our study group and our 2-week syllabus, they are in the market trading live with confluence, with confidence, utilizing the tools, the resources, and the support that is inside of our team. So if you are looking to trade, if you're looking to take back control of your investments, or if you're struggling in your trading and you're looking for a great team to join, get in contact with me so I can share with you our results. I can share with you some of the things that we have inside of our platform. That way you can make a wise decision that can impact your financial future. See you in the next video.